Kia ora. Happy Mother's Day, Mum. I'll see you on Sunday. Tahi rua to the fore. I won't settle for seconds. I won't take nothing no less than you. Girl, it's got to be you. I've been away for 6 months now. When today I'm coming home to you. Girl, it's got to be you. And every time I see your grace, warm smile spreads across my face, and then you look at me and say, boy, I love your ways. I first saw you across the way, now I think about you night and day. Girl, it's got to be you. I love the way you let me go to see the world, bring it home to you. Girl, it's got to be you. And every time I see your grace, a warm smile spreads across my face, and then you look at me and say, rock out, boy, I love your ways. Whoa, whoa. Out to the world of sound system worldwide, represent them rockers, we stepping up the vibe. Respect to each and every massive inside. Them rude boy, they say me roll a one time. Listen to the music, got to pay attention. But she feed up into style education. Salmonella on the mix, say truly champion. Step with the move, as you roll a song. Listen, listen. I won't settle for second best. I won't take nothing no less than you. Girl, it's got to be you. I've been away for 6 months now, when today I'm coming home to you. Girl, it's got to be you. And every time I see your grace, warm smile spreads across my face, and then you look at me and say, boy, I love your ways. I love your ways. I love your ways. She said, I love your ways. I love your ways. She said, I love your ways. I love your ways. She said, out to the world of sound system worldwide, represent them rockers, we stepping up the vibe. Respect to each and every muscle inside. Them rude boy, they see me roll one time. Listen to the music, got to pay attention. But she feed up into style education. Someone on the mix, say truly champion. Step with the move, she will roll us on. Listen, listen.